Pterodactyl here, and I just want to give you an update on the Eclipse Wasp Chainsaw that we sold for $7,500. Woo! $7,500! Whoa! That we never got. Because you can bid on stuff and not pay for it. Did you know that? Yeah. Well, that was one little thing I failed to factor in when I listed this saw. Because I buy stuff on eBay all the time. But you know what? I'm not ignorant. I'm not going to sit there and bid up something and then not pay for it. You know what they call a person like that? An ignorant person. So, we're going to relist the chainsaw. But this time, we're going to relist it as a buy it now. So when you buy it, it's yours. You have to commit to buy. It's yours. We're going to set a price, and if you want it, you can buy it. And we're going to ship it for free. Now this is only open to people in the United States, and I'll explain to you why we're doing it that way. One time I had an old chainsaw from the 1960s, and I shipped it international. And guess what? Somewhere along the lines it got confiscated. It was going to Australia. And the guy contacted me and he said, "Hey, where's my saw, mate? I paid you all this money for my saw, mate, and I didn't get my saw." And then I go, "Okay, let me look into it." Found out, yeah, it got confiscated for some reason at customs, I think. So eBay let me keep the money that the gentleman paid for the saw, and they refunded him his money. So eBay basically had to eat it. So we don't want to go through that where the saw may not make it to your country. I'm sorry. Believe me, I'd like to have somebody over there in Australia, mate, get the saw. Or in England, you know, over there in jolly old England. But we're going to do it that way. And then even though it's a running saw, because you saw it run in the video, I'm going to list it for parts of repair not working. Because you can't return that stuff when it's for repair and not working. So keep that in mind. If you buy it, it's yours. You can't return it. I'm not taking it back. So go to eBay right now. Look it up again under that Eclipse Wasp Chainsaw. And buy a saw. Buy a piece of Taryl equipment. And we'll autograph it. And we'll even throw in some Taryl merchandise in there for you. We'll give you a little package too to go with it. And as always, there's your dinner.